As you may have heard, Microsoft is ending support for the Windows Mail and Calendar apps. Starting in 2025, these apps will no longer work for sending emails, receiving messages, or managing calendars. Microsoft is encouraging users to transition to the new Outlook for Windows. But here's an important distinction. This app is not the same as Microsoft Office Outlook, which is part of the Microsoft Suite. The new Outlook is a separate, simplified app designed specifically to replace Mail and Calendar. If the new Outlook isn't for you, don't worry, there are plenty of alternatives. You can continue using Microsoft Office Outlook, known for its advanced features, or switch to apps like Mozilla Thunderbird, which is also highly customizable. No matter what you choose, now is the time to prepare for this transition. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech updates and news. See you next time.